Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Install Metamask extension or mobile app and create a new wallet with a strong password. Write down the 12-word seed phrase and store it offline. Never share it with anyone. Fund the wallet with ETH or a compatible chain token to pay gas, for example 0 to 00. Gas is required for swaps and bridges. Enable network settings for Ethereum mainnet or a target EVM chain and copy your public address. Double-check your address before proceeding to purchases or swaps to avoid irreversible loss. Use a fiat on-ramp or centralized exchange to buy ETH or USD, then swap for WBTC or REN BTC on a DEX or bridge. Expect swap fees around 0.3% plus Ethereum gas fees, which can be 0 to 0 depending on network congestion. Approve the token, then execute the swap and confirm transaction details in Metamask. Review slippage tolerance and maximum spend. If using a bridge from Bitcoin, follow provider instructions. Check bridge fees and wait for confirmations before the wrapped token appears in your wallet. Add WBTC or REN BTC token contract to Metamask using the exact contract address from a reputable source. Transfer small test amounts first, for example 0.001 BTC equivalent, to verify everything works and to confirm the destination before larger transfers. Consider hardware wallet integration or move funds to cold storage for amounts over 0.000 to reduce custodial risk. Keep records of transaction ID, monitor confirmations, and be aware wrapped BTC represents an ERC20 claim on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.